ready to become the go-to realtor in your area, attracting clients like a magnet using the power of Google Ads. First, you need to nail your keyword strategy. Think like a beer. Target phrases like homes for sale in your city, real estate agent near me, and best realtor for a specific neighborhood to capture hyperlocal searches. Next, craft a copy that grabs attention. Highlight your unique selling points. Do you specialize in luxury homes, first-time buyers? Mention it. Include a clear call to action, like call for a free consultation or view listings now. Now, optimize your bidding strategy. Start with manual bidding to gain control. Then experiment with automated options like maximize clicks or target CPA once you have enough data. Don't forget location targeting. Refine your campaigns to focus on the specific neighborhoods and zip codes where you want to do business. This ensures you're only showing ads to relevant potential clients. Track your results religiously. Google Ads provides tons of data, so monitor your click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per lead. This helps you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Finally, create dedicated landing pages for each ad campaign. The landing page should directly relate to the ad copy and provide a seamless experience for potential clients. A great landing page can drastically improve your conversion rates.